Welcome back to AutoTime Reviews, your go-to destination for the latest car updates and expert insights. Today, we're diving into one of America's best-selling compact SUVs, the 2025 Toyota RAV4. With a bold new look, updated tech, and solid performance, the RAV4 continues to raise the bar in its segment. Starting with the front, the 2025 RAV4 features a refreshed grille design that adds a more aggressive stance. Sleek LED headlights wrap into the sculpted hood lines, giving it a premium, futuristic feel. The wide bumper and available fog lights add function and style, making the front view unmistakably modern. Moving to the back, the RAV4 stands out with its sharp LED taillights, a redesigned tailgate, and dual chrome-tipped exhausts on select trims. The rear spoiler and refined bumper design help it look sportier than ever, while the powered liftgate and available hands-free feature add practical convenience. From the right side, you'll notice the confident proportions of the RAV4, with strong character lines, bold wheel arches, and a choice of 17 to 19-inch alloy wheels. This SUV has a rugged yet refined look. The raised ground clearance and available two-tone roof give it an adventurous personality that fits urban and off-road lifestyles alike. Inside, the dashboard takes a big step forward in tech and comfort. You're greeted by a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a large central touchscreen up to 10.5 inches offering wireless, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The layout is clean, intuitive, and user-friendly, with soft touch materials and ambient lighting giving it a premium vibe. Now, let's pop the hood and check out the engine room. The 2025 RAV4 comes standard with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 203 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking more efficiency, the hybrid model combines that engine with electric motors for a total output of 219 horsepower and an impressive EPA rating of up to 41 mpg in the city. There's also the RAV for Prime Plug-in Hybrid, which delivers 300 to combined horsepower and up to 42 miles of electric-only range, with a starting price around $30,000, and well-equipped trims going up to about $45,000. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 continues to offer excellent value, reliability, and versatility. That's it for today's review. For more in-depth car reviews, tech breakdowns, and auto insights, make sure to subscribe to AutoTime Reviews. See you in the next one.